Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Tala, and today in this video I am going to show you a new feature which is universal which is knowledge base. Okay, so here it is. We can add custom knowledge base, custom documents that can be used in our documents. So I have created our data which is this one, universal facts. So I want WriterGPT to use these universal facts in my upcoming article. So I have downloaded that universal facts in PDF, and now let's come to WriterGPT. Go to settings tab. Here we need to go to knowledge base, upload document. I will give it title universal facts about Earth and solar system. We can choose any feature from here, or we can go with general. Now we need to choose our file, which is universalfact.pdf. We need to click upload and extract. It will only take few seconds to upload and extract all content from the PDF file. Okay, so it's done. It has extracted about 4K characters from our PDF. Now we need to go to generate content. We need to enter any keyword like Earth and its moon. This is our keyword. I will go with fully SEO optimized mode. I will enable this knowledge base, and I will use these settings. Use facts from this file in the article. So this is how we will give instructions to our GPT. After setting all these settings, we can click on bulk generate. So our article is being generated. We can go to my articles tab. It will only take few seconds, and then we will have our article. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, so here is the article. Now click on view article, and it has included the facts. Here are the facts. Check this out. So this is how this new feature works. This is useful for those who want to create article about their products, and they can upload the features of that product. And this is useful for general articles where we can upload our facts. And this is also useful for white paper publishing. You can publish case studies, brand guide, and definitely you can upload FAQs as well. So this is a new feature that we have recently launched in WriterGPT. Thanks for watching video. Keep watching, keep generating content with WriterGPT, and have a good day.